Hi, I'm Rob Rager with Truck City Service.
Hi, and I'm Matt Mrazek with Weld County Garage. We're here to talk to you about the open positions that we have for technicians.
Our business has been growing rapidly and we have an urgent need for technicians. We're hiring everything from medium duty master techs all the way down to lube techs with little to no experience and everything in between.
We know that techs are the heart of our company, so we're always open to new ideas and suggestions on how to modernize our processes and make sure that we're doing everything that we can to help you further your career and create the best working environment for technicians.
If you're a technician seeing this ad, please message us today to see about pursuing a career with Weld County Garage in Truck City.
And if you know any friends or family or anybody in the automotive industry, feel free to share this video and pass it along, and I appreciate the time.
We look forward to you joining our team.